Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Agung, NIM 101-561-250-25. Di sini saya akan membacakan tugas UAS mata kuliah bahasa Inggris. Selamat menyaksikan. Allah SWT sent Muhammad PBUH to instruct us, to teach us the principles of religion, so that we might attain wisdom. We are meant to follow the example of the Prophet, and whatever we comprehend and get benefit from when learning the principles of Islam. Its benefits is to investigate the ways the Prophet taught his companions. In fact, there were many different teaching techniques that Prophet Muhammad PBUH utilized. Following are a few examples. The Prophet would sometimes repeat something 3 times. One example is the hadith narrated by Abu Hurairah. The Prophet said, by Allah, he does not believe by Allah, he does not believe by Allah, he does not believe. It was said, who is that, O Allah? Suppose he said, that person whose neighbor does not feel safe from his civil. Another technique that he utilized effectively was asking a question to pique the interest and curiosity of the listeners. An example is when the Prophet asked his companions, what would be the situation of someone who has a river at his door, and every day, 5 times a day, he comes out and he takes a bath in that river. At the end of the day, would he have any dirt on himself? They responded, there would be no dirt on him, O Rasulullah. Then the Prophet said, similarly, there are the 5 prayers cleansing the person in this way. In the above hadith, the Prophet not only used a question to bring the listeners' mind to attentiveness, he also used an analogy, making a similarity between the 5 daily prayers as a cleansing of heart and soul to the river that cleanses the body. Just as the Prophet used analogy to illustrate a point verbally, he also used illustration to make a point graphically. Once the Prophet drew a straight line through the sand, and then drew lines to the right and lines to the left of the first line. While the people were looking at the drawing, he recited the verse, and verily this is my straight path, so follow it and follow not adhere path, for the hay will separate you away from his path. I adhere instead that he illustrated his point using his heart. when he said, I am the one who takes care of the orphans are in paradise. Like this, as he was speaking, he interlaced his fingers, using daily living experiences as opportunity to instruct the Prophet BBU as one was traveling with some companions, and when it was time to prepare food, he asked them to slow their sheep. One man said he would do that. Another said he would skin it, and I third said he would cook it. Then the messenger of Allah said, I will collect wood for the fire. They said, no, will do that work for you. The Prophet answered, I know that you can do it for me, but I had to be privileged. Allah had to see a servant of his privilege above others, and the Prophet went and collected firewood. Itulah tadi. Terima kasih.